Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2024 Volkswagen ID Buzz. If you don't know, it's a kind of a recreation of old Volkswagen Buzz, but in electric avatar. It's not exactly same, but a throwback to the past. This casting is by Matchbox, part of their moving parts, and that's new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the ID Buzz out of its box. And first thing first, I really like the paint job on this one. It looks really nice. And we're starting from the front, and the details look awesome on this one. You can see you've got the detailed headlamp, Volkswagen badge, with number plate with ID Buzz. You even have the lower grille detail. You also see the radar for adaptive cruise and all that. You also got both the windshield wipers, but it does miss out on mirrors. I don't know why. Maybe it doesn't have one. No, it does. I think I have seen one in real life. On the dealer lot, they have one there. But does miss out on mirror, which is very rare for Matchbox these days. I don't know why they did that. But yeah, apart from that, has got good details in the front. Now moving to the driver's side, again you can see the nice paint, white and neon green. Paint theme continues. These wheels we have seen in so many different Matchbox throughout the years, and they don't look bad here. They look alright for a van. You do have the blacked out A, B, C, D pillars, which look good. You can see door handles on the front door and the sliding door. There's also a small window in that. We'll come to this door. This opens up. We'll come this to once we are done with the entire vehicle. Good details on the side. Now coming to the back, again good details here. You can see you've got detailed tail lamp, again Volkswagen badge, ID Buzz badge, and the number plate. You also got lower bumper, which is detailed. You see here, you do get the windshield wiper in the back and a small spoiler. You also get the shark fin on the top, which is again detailed. You got a big sunroof. It does look good from all the angles. Passenger side looks almost identical. The only difference, the charge port door here. It's electric van, so you charge it obviously. So it has got good details and it actually looks really good. This is how it looks from the bottom. Now let's go back to the sliding door. It's a moving part, so it does have the sliding door, and it's very easy to open actually. If you look here, they have got this small cutout to pull the door out, and once it's out you can basically slide it back. So yeah, nice. Some of the sliding doors are really hard to open up, but this one is nice and easy. And when you open, you can see it has got gray interior and some details in the interior too. You can see a bag, and I don't know if you can look closely, there's a camera. So basically this is a photographer's camera van. I think you can't see any more details, but yeah, those nice little details in the interior. And to close it, you just slide it back, push it, it's done. Overall, I think it's a nice looking vehicle. I would have loved to have mirrors, but even without that, it's really nice, looks really good, and the door operates really nicely too. And I think you won't regret having this in your collection. Well, that's all for the day. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.